Python Tutorial Day 21 Function Arguments in Python. Functions can take arguments also known as parameters that allow you to pass data to them. Understanding how to use function arguments effectively is crucial for writing flexible and reusable code. This tutorial will cover the different types of function arguments in Python. Positional arguments. Positional arguments are the most common type of arguments. They are assigned to the parameters in the order they are defined in the function. Example: Python def greet name, age print hello, name, you are age years old, you are 30 years old. Keyword arguments. Keyword arguments allow you to specify the argument name when calling the function. This can improve code readability and allows you to pass arguments in any order. Example: Python def greet name, age print hello, name, you are age years old, you are 25 years old. Default arguments. You can provide default values for parameters. If a value is not provided for that parameter when the function is called, the default value will be used. Example: Python def greet name, age 18 print hello, name, you are age years old, you are 18 years old. Hello Diana, you are 22 years old. Variable length arguments. Sometimes you might not know how many arguments you will receive. Python allows you to handle this with args and quargs. Example: Python def display info args, quargs print positional arguments, args print keyword arguments, quargs display info 1, 2, 3 name Eve, age28 output positional arguments 1, 2, 3 keyword arguments name Eve, age28 5. Keyword only arguments. You can also define arguments that must be specified as keyword arguments. This is done by placing them after a in the function definition. Example: Python def create profile name, age country printf name name, age country create profile Frank, age 35, country use of this works create profile Frank, 35. Use of this will raise a type hero output name Frank, age 35. Country use of summary. In this tutorial, we covered various types of function arguments in Python 1. Positional arguments. Arguments that are assigned based on their position. Keyword arguments. Arguments that are assigned based on the parameter name. Default arguments. Parameters that have a default value if not provided. Variable length arguments. Using args and quargs to accept an arbitrary number of arguments. Keyword only arguments. Arguments that must be specified as keyword arguments. Understanding these concepts will help you write more flexible and maintainable Python code. Happy coding!